In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mypay on Chime. Whether you're new to Chime or just exploring its features, Mypay can be a handy tool to access your funds before your payday. Let's dive into the process and make sure you're all set to use this feature effectively. To get started, you'll need to ensure a couple of things. First, make sure you have a Chime account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to set that up before proceeding. Additionally, ensure that you have a qualifying direct deposit set up in your Chime account. This is crucial because Mypay relies on your direct deposit to function properly. Once you've got your account and direct deposit in place, the next step is to check if Mypay is available on your account. If it is, you can go ahead and open the Chime app on your device. Once you're in, look for the Mypay option and tap on it. This is where you'll be able to see the amount of money that's available for you to access ahead of your payday. Now, with the amount available clearly displayed, you can decide how much you'd like to access. Select the amount that fits your needs and then tap on Next. It's important to choose an amount that you're comfortable with, as this will be automatically deducted from your next direct deposit to cover the advance. After selecting the amount, you'll need to choose your preferred delivery option. Chime usually provides a couple of choices, so pick the one that works best for you. Once you've made your selection, confirm the transaction. This step is important as it finalizes your request to access the funds. Once you've confirmed everything, the money will be sent to your account. It's a quick and convenient way to access your money when you need it, without waiting for payday. Keep in mind that the amount you accessed will be automatically repaid from your next direct deposit, so plan accordingly to ensure your finances remain balanced. And there you have it, that's how to use Mypay on Chime. With just a few simple steps, you can manage your finances and access your funds when you need them. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident using Mypay on Chime. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other features Chime has to offer for managing your finances more effectively.